Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Dipnotic Nails, and we're going to be creating a blue winter mani. And the first color here, it's called Frozen. Now this is a beautiful blue, and then look at all that shimmery goodness in there. I really like it. It's like not like a light blue, not like a bright blue. It's the perfect in-between blue, and that shimmer is simply beautiful. And it pairs perfectly with Hydrangea. And this is a really fun glitter. It has smaller glitters in there and then some chunky glitter, and then it almost looks like a matte blue. And then it has purple glitter in there as well, and it's super pretty. And it pairs perfectly with Frozen. And I really like these two together. You have like that matte glitter and then you have that pop of shimmer with Frozen. So we are going to be making a set of press-ons today, and we're going to be doing the gel method. And we're going to start out today's mani by dipping into Frozen. What you're seeing here, this jar is the 0.25 ounce jar, and Dipnotic also sells sample sizes. They have a 0.7 ounce jar, a 1 ounce jar, and a 2 ounce jar. So I really like that Dipnotic offers that variety of different sizes for dip powders. And look how sparkly Frozen is with that one dip. It's simply beautiful. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. It's perfect for that January cool weather season with that shimmery blue and then that really unique glitter. Hydrangea is perfect, and I really love how that glitter is matte with that pop of purple in there. It's super pretty. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-on sets, and I'll see you in the next upload.